now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hi, Sea Lions. Welcome back. Have a great week. I want to wish you a happy holidays. Happy Hanukkah. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, everybody. Sea Lions, have a great week. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays and Happy New Year's. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All is fun as a one horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, when splendor still on horse open sleigh. Hey! But it's again.
This is Sea Lion leader Callie Weiss with this week's announcements. Welcome back, Sea Lions. We hope you have a memorable holiday surrounded by a loving family and friends. We're so happy to see you. Attention all poets. Details about McGaw's poetry contest are being sent home on Monday. Take a risk and try something new. Reading Lab begins on Monday. We're so proud of our scholars who take pride in their reading. McGaw Idol performers will receive their rehearsal times on Monday. We are so excited to see you on stage. Make sure you share with your parents and group members. Sea Lion Chorus rehearsals are back this Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Let's be safe during drop-off. The Math Lab begins on Tuesday after school. Check in at room 30 right after school to meet your teacher. Parents, you can pick up your students at the main entrance at 3:30. McGaw Idol dress rehearsal for Act 2 is after school on Tuesday at 2:30. Check your rehearsal invitation so you know when to show up. McGaw Idol dress rehearsal for Act 1 is after school on Wednesday at 1:30. Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have an amazing second semester.
We have one of our employees of the entire year in this room.
What?
But there's so many adults. Who could it be? What? Did someone tell you? It is Miss Cynthia Hughes!
We are so proud to announce that Miss Cynthia Hughes has been recognized as LaSalle Unified School District's Employee of the Year. Congratulations, Miss Hughes. You do amazing work, and you make McGaw a better place to learn. We love you! Hey, McGaw Sea Lions, are you ready for the best event of the year? The McGaw Jogathon is happening on Friday, January 24th. This year, we have some amazing prizes to keep you motivated to jog your hearts out. When you raise $50, you'll snag a cool sticker or a bookmark, perfect to show off your McGaw pride. $75 gets you into a donut party with your friends. Yum! Raise $150 and you'll take home a cuddly sea lion stuffy. At $300, you'll earn a stylish McGaw beach towel for your next adventure. Reach $450 and you'll dive into a bubbly foam party. How fun is that? At $700, it's time for a special lunch from Raising Cane's or Chick-fil-A. And if you hit the big one, $1,000, you'll join an epic Nerf party. Time to let the foam dart battles begin. Let's make this year's Jogathon the most epic one yet. Get out there, start fundraising, and we'll see you on the track on Friday, January 24th. Let's jog for fun, fitness, and prizes. Go Sea Lions!
Hey, I'm A for the day.
That's right. Congratulations. What is that?
It's a rabbit.
Way to go.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Congratulations to UTK student Stan Stain. Miss Kristen said that Stan showed compassion when another student was hurt on the playground. He offered to take her to the nurse. Thanks so much, Stan, for being a friend you could count on.
Kindergarten.
Congratulations to kindergarten student from Miss Sizemore's class, Hart Alexander. Hart, you did a great job in the social lab today, and Miss Ray couldn't help but take notice. You've been awesome, and we appreciate you, Hart.
First grade.
Congratulations to first grader Asher G. Mrs. Monteleone says that Asher had the best day. He completed all his work and even had some time to help some friends. Way to go, Asher.
Second grade.
Congratulations to second grader from Mrs. Lee's class, Mary Miklas. She says that Mary's awesome. Her attitude inspires our class. She cheers each time a new lesson or activity is introduced. Her positive attitude is infectious. Way to go, Mary.
Third grade.
Miss Kristen noticed this third grader doing something great. Congratulations to Dylan Kroviak. She says that Dylan always has the best manners and is a great example to his classmates. Way to go.
Fourth grade.
Mrs. Yuson is super impressed by fourth grader Vaughn Slentz. She says that Vaughn demonstrates all the qualities of being a kind friend to all. He always is willing to help others, even when it's not asked of him. Thanks so much, Vaughn. You're awesome.
Fifth grade.
And finally, Mrs. O'Brien wants to shout out fifth grader David Zayas Ramos. She says that David has been doing great in class. He offers help to anyone in need, especially with fractions. Way to go, David. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.